Okay, so this is basically the main road in El Zonte. It's super small. It's right next to the wave. There's street vendors, surfer shacks. It's pretty cool. We were on our way to go look for some pupusa. I've not had pupusa yet. I've heard some really good things. Let's go find some pupusa. This looks like a pupusaria. You guys open? You sell pupusa?
Yes.
Are you getting excited about this pupusa? What's your cheer doing? Oh my god. I'm gonna sneak over here and see if she's gonna let me watch her make some of this. What do we have here?
Ajo, ayote y revuelta.
Oh my god, look at that cheap. It smells garlicky, it smells buttery. This is gonna taste really good. This is gonna be some good stuff. So this is 3 different types of pupusa. This is gonna be hot. I'm about to embarrass myself, but I'm so hungry. Okay, here we go. I just drooled everywhere on the camera. Mmm. You can tell it's fresh made. Ready for my pupusa and Bitcoin? Okay. Oh, okay. Heck. I'm gonna try this again. This time we're using Cash App. Oh. I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, my Moon app did not work at that pupusaria, which is sad because I really wanted to buy some pupusa and Bitcoin. But I met a cool guy here named Alex from Sweden. Well, he's gonna take me to a coffee shop that he knows for a fact my Bitcoin will work. So that's where we're going now.
It's called Point Break Cafe.
Point Break
in
Cafe.
Garten here in El Zonte.
I'm excited. Now we're at this coffee shop. Gonna go buy my coffee with Bitcoin. Pull up the Moon Wallet app. Gracias. Here we go. Just purchased 2 coffees with Bitcoin. Coffee's mad decent, and I was able to use my Bitcoin. Okay, now we're gonna try to buy an ice cream with Bitcoin. Lucy, do you have ice cream?
Yeah.
Do you take Bitcoin?
Allá.
You do?
Allá, Bitcoin Beach. Bitcoin Beach.
¿Cuánto cuesta? Es uno.
1.25.
Boop. Oh, open Cash App. Oh man, what is this bullcrap?
6.5 hours later.
Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, turns out you need to be a little more prepared with this Bitcoin thing. It could be simple if you have it all set up, but if you don't, you gotta take photos of your ID, verify your email address, transfer funds. Your bank might decline the fund transfer. So if you try to come to El Salvador to buy stuff with Bitcoin, make sure you have it all set up before you come. You can use Cash App. I recommend that because it seems to be the easiest thus far. Moon Wallet was okay, but you have to transfer it from another coin exchange. So anyways, we got our ice cream. We call it a snow cone. I don't know what they call it, but there you go. Oh, give me a bite, baby. Just one bite. Oh! Oh! Oh, God! There's hot sauce in that.
She said, do you
want?
Yes.
I could have sworn. Who asked if they want hot sauce in their snow cone? Oh my gosh. It's lemon and hot sauce. Snow cone. What the heck? Oh my.